We all have them. Dead, tormented, awful brushes. I want to show you guys, how do you resurrect dead brushes, okay? We all have them. We all have those brushes that, I have a bucket right here of dead, tormented, awful brushes. So this one is full of clumpy bits of oil. It was left too long, and you can see on the edge, it's just gross. It still could be soft, but to get that clean would be really difficult. There's some in here that actually make noise. Like, you probably can't even go on an airplane with this one. It's a weapon. So there's so many brushes in here that are ruined. We have a little boy that comes into the studio, and he put it in acrylic paint, acrylic plastic paint. And this is completely and utterly ruined. So you get the idea. All these brushes are super ruined. They're hard, they're stiff, they are, gross. You can fix them and they'll come back to life and they will be almost brand new. So what you do with your brushes is you just find a bucket, you stick them all in like this. You want to use this Murphy's soap. Okay, and you can just get this at Walmart, Amazon. And if you live in Europe or Australia or some other part of the world and you don't have this brand, you can look it up. It's wood cleaner, concentrated wood cleaner. So it's like for wood floors. You can read about what the ingredients are and then find what it is in your country. So I'm pouring a whole bunch of it in this bucket, and I'm going to let it sit for about 2 weeks. You don't have to do anything except just make sure they're all in there. After 2 weeks in the Murphy soap, this is Sava's brush here, the one I was just telling you about. It is completely soft. And if you shape it afterwards, like I'm doing right now, and kind of bend it and work it and let it kind of hold its shape and let it dry that way, it will be back to normal. So this stuff is just incredible. There's this other brush in here. Even though I've done this before, I was a doubter, okay? I didn't think this brush would ever make it through. And look at this. This thing, do you guys remember this one? It made noises when we hit it on the table. That's how hard with paint it was. And now it is completely soft. Look at this, totally soft. It's like conditioned. It's amazing. This stuff is absolutely amazing. So all these brushes were completely ruined, and every single one of them after just 2 weeks in there is fixed. So you can resurrect all your brushes with the Murphy soap and get them practically back to new. And one thing you want to do is, after you rinse them really good, is you want to shape them while they're still wet, like this. And then you have them dry standing up. And by the time these are dry, these are like brand new brushes. Okay? Aren't you guys amazed? If you already knew that trick, then you know. If you know, you know. But if you don't know, now you know.